Boom shakalaka, is it too late for Bitcoin? Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts suggesting the exact opposite may be true. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin. Why now may be the beginning of a very, very bullish phase in Bitcoin's life cycle. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. And today, fear at 30, same as we were yesterday. We're starting to form a new line sideways at 30 instead of sideways at 20. The overall market sideways today. Bitcoin at 25.37, Ethereum at 15.91, BNB at 3.27, XRP 46 cents, Dogecoin 14 cents, Cardano 40 cents, and Solana $32. And if we take a look at Bitcoin, broken out of this downtrend, and right now we are sitting right on the first confirmation line of the triple double bottom inception that we have going on. We have 1, 2, and 3 confirmation points between 1, 2, and 3 double bottoms that Bitcoin is in, likely to push the price up above $30,000. If we take a look at Bitcoin right now, historically below its 2-year moving average, this area has figured an area that has offered outsized returns for Bitcoin investors. So if you're considering investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, historically now would be the time to do so. Right now, we have a crossing that has historically signaled the beginning of massive breakouts in 2015, 2019, and also 2022, when we had a downward wedge, bear flag, and then we had a cross of the 50 and 100 weekly MAs. Each time after this, price shot up parabolically. Well, we have the same thing, exact thing happening right now, likely suggesting the price to explode from where we are. Right now, weekly crossover on the Bitcoin weekly charts that resulted in massive runs historically. We can see each time historically massive runs for Bitcoin. We have the same cross happening right now. Could send Bitcoin price even higher. On the 10-day, about to print a buy signal crossover in the MACD on the 10-day. So you can see all these different time frames for Bitcoin all lining up to suggest now is the time right before parabolic price movements. And if we take a look at the LMACD, the logarithmic MACD, the histogram pattern, repeating the same exact things previous to parabolic runs. So same thing over and over and over and over again on Bitcoin on a bunch of different time frames, a bunch of different indicators might suggest that the price could go up. Even on the monthly histogram, this has flipped. The last 2 times it was the beginning of big bull runs. It, as a matter of fact, picked out the very, very bottom. And 2 times previously, this time, might very well happen again, because Bitcoin performs the best after initial breadth thrust from the S&P 500. We can see this down here when we have a breadth thrust, nice Bitcoin move, breadth thrust, move again and again. We have the same thing about to happen once again. Could move Bitcoin quite a lot because the stock RSI right now in the twisting phase. This is basically the downward and sideways phase of Bitcoin's price pattern. Once this moves, the stock RSI starts moving up, Bitcoin price moves up dramatically, which is what we could be seeing happening next. Because if we take a look at this RSI indicator suggesting we are just in the buy zone, maybe for not that much longer, a few months possibly, if we stay down here. This is the buy zone for Bitcoin, not the sell zone, but this is the buy zone. But it's the time when everybody's afraid to buy. Right now, we're seeing a money flow reversal. The money flow indicator, MFI, each time it has gone from bearish to bullish, each time that has signaled the exact bottom for Bitcoin. Right now, we're seeing the same thing. We have a change just recently from bearish to bullish in money flow reversal. That means that likely the price will be headed up. And if this time is different, everybody's saying this time is different. This time there's war. This time there's recession. This time there's depression. This time there's monetary policy, inflation, all these different excuses. But if this time is different, well, a lot of things will have to change, because if we take a look, Bitcoin is just repeating itself once again with short-term holders eclipsing long-term holders in terms of price. And the previous 2 times that has happened, it has indicated an exact bottom. So as you can see, guys, from pretty much every chart we can look at right now, it's suggesting that these are bottoms for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And if you want to get it at generational prices, this is the time to do it. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.